everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna review an automatic cat litter box by PAWBBY. This box is capable of it all. You basically connect it to the electricity, add the litter, and it does everything else for you. Comes with a smart application, so you can fully control the litter box remotely. So if you are out there for a few days and you don't have a pet sitter and you'd like to leave your pets by themselves, you will have the full possibility, the full control of knowing exactly what is going on with your pet, since you're going to get all the reports through the smart application of how many times your cat did what and how many times the litter box cleaned themselves, and so very on. It is all controllable, it is all customizable and trackable remotely. So this is the PAWBBY P1 model, and this is an ultra self-cleaning cat litter box. It is all from litter to luxury. This is the most stylish litter box you've ever seen. I'm absolutely a huge fan of the design of this litter box. I've actually never seen that type of a design. It basically looks like a little like nightstand or a little like coffee table. So thanks to this unique and gorgeous design of this litter box, this one can go anywhere. You can put it basically in the middle of your living room and it is gonna look stylish, fashionable, and gorgeous, because it's gonna easily fit any type of a house decor, any type of a house style. So I absolutely love this design of this litter box. Honestly, once again, never seen anything like that before with any other litter box out there. It works on the Rhine TÜV certification baby cat class guarding. It is absolutely 100% scoop-free cleaning experience for you, so it's freeing your hands and giving you more valuable time to spend with your pet. It's multi-cat friendly and large capacity type of a litter box, and it comes with a pure natural odor eliminating technology directly from Japan. It's stylish and functional and reliable for your pet safety. Well guys, let's deep down there to the details. Well, let's get started. Well guys, let's get started with the review. This is PAWBBY self-cleaning cat litter box, and the most important thing about this one is the detection abilities. It's all about your cat safety. PAWBBY's philosophy, it's all to call on all cat parents to pay highest attention to the potential health problems of your pets, of your cats. PAWBBY's are all about to prevent any type of a health cat problems immediately. This is why they've got an amazing app control, so the application tracks all the data about your cat, as well as they came out with this Rhine TÜV certification for this litter box, and that's about baby cat class guarding. So it is actually the world's first smart cat litter box, which is certified with the Pet Safe certification. What is the Rhine TÜV? It is actually a technology that ensures that your cat's safety by pausing any type of operation of the litter box when the cat is approached within 30 centimeters around the litter box. It is a high precision weighting sensors, so it is efficiently manages any type of a waste and provides a comfortable area for any type of cats weighing between 3.3 till 17.6 pounds. This all to upgrade your pet's safe care and health with the advanced safe solution. So it is never gonna start working, never gonna start rolling around while there is a cat inside. And this is the feature I choose to start with because, in my opinion, your pet safety is obviously on the very first place. Then it has so many different other features. It came with a pure natural odor eliminating technology directly from Japan. Now guys, I am obsessed with Japanese technology. We all know that's the highest technology out there, and they are the most developed country in the world, period. So this is why I absolutely trust this litter box. So we all know that litter boxes are the most messy thing in our house. It's the most like dirty, the most like messy, the most needs to be vacuumed every single day type of an area type of boxes around our house. But things are different with this PAWBBY cat litter box. It is not gonna smell, so you're not gonna have any type of a bad odor from the litter box, because this automatic litter box came with a natural and safe deodorizing solution, which is gonna keep your home fresh and the air clean and smells really nice. So the technology, it's like these small pies actually, and they are spreading a really good smell all around. It doesn't smell by any means how any type of chemistry, which I would expect usually from that type of odors to smell like. It is a very calm down, quiet, gorgeous, like really well and good smelling odor. It's like flowerish, so it really smells very, very good. It is also makes the room that the litter box is located in to smell even better. It's like very, you know, not strong, but very like light. So I'm really sensitive to any type of smells, especially if they're like strong smells. This is why I absolutely appreciate this one. It is a natural odor eliminating technology, which works absolutely great for me, and it's even made my room that the litter box located in to smell better. So now I just got a good smelling type of a room. This smart self-cleaning cat litter box as well works with a smart application. So it allows you a fully remote control, and the smart application is gonna track all the usage by your cat and gonna collect the data and keep all the history of the usage of the litter box by your cat. So you can track your cat's weight, you can monitor the working status of the litter box with the smart application. You can have a convenience mute operation remotely, so you can absolutely control this litter box while you're away or basically not home right now. So via the smart application, you can basically fully control the litter box. You can tell it to clean it now, you can tell it to flatten the cat litter, you can choose any type of a pattern, so you can make it to be on auto clean or on manual clean, whatever works for you. Once on auto clean, it is gonna clean the litter box every time after each use. You can put the litter box to go be on a sleep mode. You can screen lock in case you have kids or you don't want your pet accidentally touch the screen. You can auto screen off, so you can just basically tell through the smart application the litter box to off the screen. You can fully control the special cat's care, as well as you can control the soft clumps mode. Now you can tell through the smart application to have an auto clean delay, so you can tell your litter box how long should the litter box wait to auto clean after your cat exists. And you can put it onto the sleep mode settings. For example, from 10 p.m. till 8 a.m. it's not gonna work regardless. You can see all of the history by week, by month, by day. You have the deodoration pod reminding of changing or resetting. It's actually also explaining about the deodoration pod and how many days it left to go with. It gives you a full image and understanding about the waste compartment. So it tells you if it's full, if it's not full, and it will tell you and remind you to clean the waste tank if it needs to be cleaned. Generally speaking, after all the tests that's been run through this litter box, the testing team came to the conclusion, which says that when only one cat using this litter box, it is usually gonna be full in about 14 days. Of course, that it also depends on cat litter type, cat's weight, usage, and so very on. But in general, it is more convenient to use the garbage bag. So you can use the garbage bag that came inside the package of this litter box, which yes, it is coming with garbage bags, which is great. So it is absolutely recommended to use the garbage bag, but you don't have to. You can use it as is and just basically to clean the waste tank, but you can absolutely use it with no bags as well. You can basically just empty the waste tank as well as just rinse it under water. This litter box works on the OLED display screen, so it is designed with a large and user-friendly interface, so you can absolutely navigate through that manually through the screen. It is a touch control and it's simple and convenient operation. The smart litter box is designed with an easy detachable structure, so it is making it really simple to clean it and to fill the litter. It supports 99% of all possible clumping cat litters, and it's so very easy to maintain and to clean. Well guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine, the fully detailed review, and I truly hope you loved it. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Be so very sure to check PAWBBY out. I'll leave you all of the links down below in the description box of this video of mine with all the possible information, all the sales, promotions, discount codes, coupon codes, how to get this one for less, and how to get from this litter box the most for less. All that type of information, as well as the link to this one, everything gonna be down below in the description box, as well as I'm gonna pin it to be the very first comment to this video of mine. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.